Hey guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a get ready with me to take my birthday pictures. So I always take my own birthday pictures every year from like 4 years ago, I think. It's just a fun little thing that I do for myself for my birthday, and it's just like fun. And yeah, I definitely recommend taking your own pictures if you have you can use your phone too. I was gonna say if you have a camera, but you can use your phone too, and I like editing and stuff like that. So it's just a fun little thing that I do for myself for my birthday to ease the anxieties and depressions of getting older and all that stuff that comes with birthdays. It's just like a fun take a shot every time I say fun. Just a fun little thing that I do. So if you guys want to see my get ready with me to take birthday pictures, just keep on watching. I have my head scarf on because it's so hot in here and I don't want to sweat out my edges before the pictures. So that's why I just have my head scarf on. I'm going to keep it on for this video. Then at the end, when I do the final reveal of the makeup and stuff, I'll take it off. But I don't want to sweat out my edges because like I said, it's really hot in here. Okay, so I think I want to do a gray toned makeup look because I feel like I look really good in gray toned makeup. I already did my eyebrows. They look okay. First, we're going to just prime our eyes with some concealer. And the concealer that I'm using is a Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. I'm just going to set that with some powder. Using the Maybelline Stay Matte Press Powder. So I'm going to be 27 and I can't believe it, but I'm just trying to like I said, not think about it. Well, I didn't say that, but not think about it because I get really bad depression and anxiety around my birthday. I mean, I have bad anxiety and depression anyways, but it gets worse around my birthday just thinking about everything. But yeah, so anyways, we're gonna take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. We're gonna take, there's a gray row. I'm gonna take the first shade in that row on a Morphe M504 brush and just blend that into the crease. I'm gonna use the M281 brush, which is this big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna take that first shade and continue to put it into the crease. Now I'm going to take the second gray on a BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush and just blend that into the crease as well. I'm going to take the M504 brush again and take the third gray shade in that palette and put that into the crease, but lower than where we put those previous shades, just to darken it up some. I also don't know what kind of pictures I want to take. I have some inspiration pics on Pinterest, and I just kind of want it to be fun. I have some ring pops that I think I'm going to use. I'll put the pictures on the screen or at the end of the video or something to show you guys, because this is going to go out after I take the pictures, obviously, and edit them and stuff. I'm going to take the Rebel Grays palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take the only matte shade in that palette, which is a darker gray, and just put that into my outer corner and into the outer half of the crease. But yeah, I kind of just want it to be fun, cutesy, really focus on base shots kind of, and fun colors, and just but obviously not too colorful because I'm doing a gray look. But yeah, I didn't want it to be too colorful, but it'll be fun and I'm excited. Also, I have really bad social anxiety, so it's not fun for me for other people to take pictures of me. Maybe in the future when I become an actress it'll be funner for me to do that and stuff, but for right now I just like to take my own pictures, edit my own pictures, all that fun stuff. It's really fun. I definitely recommend it because you have full creative control and stuff like that. I'm trying to think if I want to go darker with like some black. I'm going to take the M330 brush and go into a little bit of the black from the Makeup Revolution palette and put it on my outer corner and halfway into my crease. So now we're going to move over to this Wonka palette because it's sitting in front of me, and also I remember really liking Wonka Vision, which is like a silver kind of whitish. It has some champagne like undertones to it, so we're just gonna take that and put that on our lid. Wow, that is gorgeous. I'm in love with it. I sprayed my brush a little bit just to like wet it, and it's going on so much like vibranter, so much more vibrant and like glittery. I'm also gonna put it under my brow bone. I'm gonna take the Wonka Factory Golden Ticket highlighter, the Glam Light Golden Ticket highlighter. I'm just gonna put the more white one in my inner corner. Wow, okay, beautiful. I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner. Okay, now we're gonna move on to face. I already sprayed some of this Pure Day Set hydrating like setting spray. Sometimes I use setting spray as like primer, especially like when it's really hot. I feel like I need like a good like mist of something, so I already used that. Now for foundation, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 335. For under eye concealer, we're gonna take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C6. I'm running out of this concealer, which is so sad because I love this concealer. I'm gonna take this bronze stick by ColourPop in the shade Shell Beach and just bronze with this. I'm gonna blend out my under eye with the Morphe M133 brush. I'm just gonna set everything with a pressed powder. Liquid blush, we're gonna take the Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Rosy Posy. Now for highlight, we're gonna take that Wonka Golden Ticket. I keep saying Wonka, like that's the brand. The Glam Light Golden Ticket highlighter palette. And I'm gonna take the gold shade on the M281 brush. Now for lips, we're gonna take the Twinkies. I don't know what is wrong with me. I keep saying like, so like it'll be from Glam Light and it'll be like Twinkies lip kit, but I keep saying like Twinkies as if it's the brand instead of like Glam Light. Anyways, I'm gonna take the Glam Light Twinkies lip kit. So now I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, do my hair, and all that good stuff, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I love it so much. I just love how the gray looks with my eyes, and then the shimmer of that beautiful shimmer shade. And yeah, I just did my hair in like 2 little pigtails, and like left some out. And yeah, this is the finished look, and these are the pictures that I took right here. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below for your convenience. Please, 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 if you're watching this, please subscribe, because I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers. We're literally just right there. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.